Welcome to the Quadra IntelliLink for SAP, the AI-driven orchestration layer for enterprise agility.
Working with SAP can feel like navigating a maze complex screens, multiple logins, and endless clicks just to find the right data. And moving that data into a collaboration platform? That's another challenge. With Quadra IntelliLink, SAP works for you. Simply ask and IntelliLink fetches insights, updates records, and even triggers workflows, all from your collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams. Let's see how IntelliLink transforms SAP.
Purchase order and vendor spend analysis. Understanding procurement performance at a high level is essential for financial planning and vendor management. This section provides insights into purchase order trends and spending distribution among vendors, allowing businesses to make data-driven procurement decisions. One of the key insights you might require is the range of purchase order dates and the total spending per vendor. By asking Quadra IntelliLink, give me the maximum and minimum date of purchase orders and the total amount spent by each vendor in table view, you receive an organized summary of purchasing activity. This information provides insight into vendor engagement trends and helps track financial commitments over time, allowing for better budgeting and vendor negotiations. List total item count of Softtech Inc. by status. Tracking the status of purchased items from specific vendors is essential for procurement efficiency. To ensure smooth operations and monitor order progress, by querying, list the items in purchase orders between PO 20,000 and PO to 0005. Retrieves all relevant product details within that range. This is useful for bulk order tracking and comparative analysis. Analyzing purchase order trends. By evaluating the average value of purchase orders and monitoring approval statuses, businesses can gain better control over their procurement workflow. It is essential to compare average purchase order values. By asking, what is the average value of a purchase order by vendor and how does that compare to others? You can identify high-value vendors and optimize purchasing strategies accordingly. By querying, what percentage of your total purchase orders are approved versus pending, you can gauge workflow efficiency and take corrective actions as needed. Comparative analysis of products. Assessing the cost-effectiveness of different vendors and understanding the contribution of various products to procurement activities is key to making informed purchasing decisions. Cost efficiency analysis helps in optimizing procurement decisions. By asking, based on the average total order amount, which vendor is the most cost-effective? Quadra IntelliLink evaluates vendor data to help you choose the most financially viable suppliers. By requesting, provide the contribution percentage of orders by products in table view, you get a clear breakdown of how each product category contributes to overall procurement activities. Supplier and product diversity. Diversity in suppliers and products ensures supply chain resilience. This section highlights the number of unique vendors supplying different product categories, providing insights into supplier dependency and risk mitigation. By asking, how many unique vendors have supplied different product categories, you gain insights into the variety of suppliers contributing to your organization's procurement needs. Date and temporal analysis. Understanding purchasing patterns over time helps businesses identify seasonal trends and peak procurement periods. This section examines historical data to detect fluctuations in purchase order volumes. By querying, are there any periods where the volume of orders increased significantly? You can detect seasonal peaks and adjust procurement plans accordingly. By requesting, what is the monthly trend of orders in terms of the number of products and total amount spent? Quadra IntelliLink provides a breakdown of order volumes and expenditures by month. By leveraging Quadra IntelliLink, businesses can optimize their procurement processes through intuitive, real-time analytics. With M365 Copilot facilitating backend integration, Whether it's tracking vendor performance, managing budgets, or forecasting future procurement needs, Quadra IntelliLink provides a seamless, AI powered solution to enhance decision making.